So for every robot, when you have a human involved, you need a way to tell it what to do. That's what this touchscreen does. Hey, I'm Drew. I have an engineering background, one of the co-founders of ROGO, and we're going to talk about the control system and human-machine interface. So down here we have the compute module, our nav module. We have ruggedized wiring harnesses that connect the compute to everything, all the sensors, the power module. Also connect it to the antennas on top for cellular and Wi-Fi. Because we're an ag, we have a dual modem system for enhanced reliability of our internet. Like I said, the power module in the back, that system controls the charging between two batteries. It runs power to all the various different devices that need it. That compute is taking all the sensors and inputs and controlling the arm. It's doing the self-driving, and it's also driving this monitor. So on the monitor, I have a HMI where I can control the robot at a very basic level. I can take cores in manual mode for testing, or I can switch to auto and hit go. I have the app where I can see the mission itself. I can adjust mission parameters. I can change robot parameters and go through my day as an operator and get sampling done. I also, if there is a technical issue, can open up the diagnostic panel and see all the various devices and their statuses and figure out what's going wrong. So from here, I can control the robot, but another way I interface with it is I have an e-stop for safety. After I fill every bag, I'm scanning it, which is adding it to the digital twin of the box. Once that box is full, I can hit print, and it prints out the manifest of the samples inside that box. It prints out the shipping label and the check-in sheet for inside the box. That in a whole is how the operator interfaces with the robot and how our control system works throughout.